So it's time for another handy guy stuff video. Today's project is replacing the wheels on the upper basket of this KitchenAid dishwasher. Over time the plastic deteriorates from all the water and heat, and these wheels fall apart, and just like this one has, and that comes right off there, and it's been falling off, so there it is. And there's an end cap on here. I've removed this one and come over here to this side, and just a flathead screwdriver inserted here just to release that end piece. There it goes. Yeah, I didn't get too far. Now that those end pieces are released from the end, you can take that wheel out of there. And on that side over here, get that out of there. Now there's 4 of these wheels, but the front ones take a lot more weight when it rolls out. It's taking a beating, so these back ones seem to be fine. You can tell over time the plastic's just worn out. Now this is a KitchenAid, but this wheel works well on Whirlpool, Amana, Estate, Inglis, Kenmore, Roper, Maytag, and many other brands. They're a little expensive. I don't know if you can see this. 2 of them cost me $32 with the tax. Okay. I went to a local place called Countrywide Appliance Service. Now I could have ordered them for $12 each online, but then there's like an $8 shipping and handling, so it's kind of a wash. This is the part number that they offered. Yeah, you can tell the color difference there, huh? So we're just going to mount that back over here on the dishwasher rack, roll it up in there, and it should just twist right up. There she goes. Okay. It goes on there like that, and this is going to come up and clip on to the rack right here. You just snap into place, and the wheel goes back in the rack, and we have to repeat that on the other side. Make sure you're in the same location. What am I? 1, 2, 3, 4, and back 5. I'm not exactly sure if that's far enough, but it should be. 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to feed this in here like this. It should just swing right up. Swings up, and then you got to clip it on at the top. It snaps into place. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm right across from the other. Just slips right into that slot. Push it back in there. Keep the wheels from coming out the end. And let's see here. Looks like it goes this way. It snaps right in there, and that comes in here, snaps into place, so we should be in good shape. Great. Looks like we're back in business, and we're good. It's been another handy guy video. Hope this helps you.